Dear principal, ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, good morning. Today date is 7 May and day is Tuesday. I am reciting some poem. 3 liter fish, the plane in the pool, the down in the water, and clear and cool. Up come a big fish, she kite and play. What a 3 liter fish, swim, swim away. Blast our load, blow out the day. While at school and home and play, help us to love, Lord we pray. Clap, 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 tap, 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 hop, 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 run, 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 jump, 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 clap, 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 tap, hop, 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 stop, 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 rain, rain, go away, come away, another day, the little Johnny was sure. Rain, rain, go away. Thank you, have a nice day.